Hi folks, it's John Capozzi with Remodeling Wizards, showing you another project that we completed a few weeks ago. So follow me this way here. As we're coming along here, this home used to just have a flat front on it without the portico. We built the portico, we also added a new door. Keep coming along this way, I'll show you what we started with. At one time, what we had here was just a block of concrete and one single step. That block of concrete is still underneath this deck. So we built a deck, we used Trex. This is Trex, the product here. This Trex here is a tropical Trex. It's called Spice Rum. On our rises, we use vinyl. That's called PVC Vinyl. It's like a rigid board, but it's a plastic product, so it's never going to rot. The entire portico is maintenance free. So this is vinyl here, these railings are vinyl, this is PVC. So you can see we build it sturdy, but we also build it with vinyl products so that there's no maintenance. Doesn't need to be painted, just needs to be washed once in a while. Even up here in the ceiling, as I come along here, you're going to see here the ceiling, this is a vinyl ceiling. Notice the holes. The holes are for ventilation. Just puts a little bit of air up in there, protects the roof a little bit because it keeps the roof from getting too hot. So here's our project. This is a brand new door. This door is made by a company called Provia. It's a great door. It comes with the hardware in satin nickel. Schlage is the maker of the hardware. Obviously, you can see it's Christmas time, and they were able to put a reef there. What the nice news is this: they didn't drill a hole to put this reef. They actually used one of these little hooks. To be honest with you, I wouldn't even do that, but I prefer using the hook versus trying to drill a hole to put a reef. The other thing too, just for a little tip for a reef, you can get little suction cups you can put right on the glass with a little hook. And that will even be a little bit better, because I don't like to do anything that might do any type of damage or nicking of the door itself. But anyway, here it is. This is a portico. We built this a few weeks ago, and I'm really happy to be able to show you all, and good talking to you. I hope to see you in the next film.